say something. Some people's love language is talking good as a bitch. My love language is actions. I do not involve myself with emotionalism. I exhibit emotional intelligence. So guess what? It doesn't matter how the fuck I feel. Winners do it like they love it, even when they don't feel like it.
I ain't keeping peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to card over me. You know how I like it when you love it on me. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble.